Hello everyone, this is Darah Wachowiak talking to you from Las Vegas, Nevada. I have been doing network marketing business for 3 years. For the past 6 months, I have realized to be able to successful in this business, I need to be the one. Be the one I want to recruit, I want to sponsor. Not just hoping, wishing, or praying one day I will find someone to turn my business around. So once I realized that, I started to work hard and strive to be the best. But the problem is, I didn't know what the best was until I was introduced to Rob Sperry's Facebook group, The Game of Network Marketing. I have seen so many wonderful leaders put up the contents, spend the time to educate us, especially me, how to be successful in this industry. Especially I love Rob Sperry's teaching in this group about how to recruit people online or offline, how to post, when to post on social media, and all kinds of stuff. I fell in love with this group, and I already bought in who Rob is as a person, as entrepreneur, as a leader. So one day I saw his posting. He was about to launch this social media training. I'm already in 80% at least, 90%. And I want to buy it. I want to take the course to learn more. Another funny thing I want to share with you is when you truly want something, all the universe conspire together in helping you to achieve it. It happened to me. That day I was in the gym. I saw his posting about launching this social media course. And I saw one girlfriend from church. She told me her husband was one of the best friends of Rob Sperry. They were playing tennis together. They grew up together. And she told me how hardworking Rob was, how much integrity he has, how much knowledge he had. She told me, just follow him. You'll be fine. I think that's what social media attraction marketing is. People buy in who you are. You attract the people who you are, your integrity. So that's happened to me. I was drawn to Rob, not only by his teaching, by who he is. So that's why I take this course. And since I'm new to this attraction marketing, to this social media thing, and by taking his course, it gives me the overview, what I can achieve, what I can get, and also give me the breakdown single steps, what I need to do today, what I need to do this week to be able to achieve my goals. So that's what I love this course. And what's the best part? It's just like Rob Sperry's teaching. It's not one thing gonna change your business around. It's every little thing comes together. And same thing with this course. What I love the most is every little thing. It comes together and makes the whole course so much valuable, so much attractive, so much benefit to me. Thank you so much, Rob. I'm looking forward to learn more from you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.